what's up? How you all doing? So in today's video, I'm gonna do something so different, and I wanted to do this like not from so long, but I just got an idea to do this video because I didn't get any request to do this specific video, but I thought if I have this thing in me, why should not share with you guys? Okay, so today basically I'm going to talk and give my tips on how to improve your public speaking. Okay, now isn't this so cliched sort of topic that I'm doing right now, but I thought that public speaking is so important in these days because see, whenever you have something point, like whenever you want to keep your point, because of you don't have much confidence, because of your less not exactly like confidence, but if you feel basically shy and you have a lot of good contents, you have good tips to tell people, but because of those things you can't come out and speak, and that is what I'm going to help you out and give some of my tips if you want to take part in any sorts of competition, specifically education, or maybe like give like a public speak in your class, give a lot of lecture in your class. Basically, public speaking makes really huge difference in your life, because that's the fact, that's the reason because I started my YouTube channel, because I definitely had a confidence to speak and I know how to speak and all that. Definitely it's not the perfect, but I have a bit I can share with you. Okay, now the first tip is to know your spot. What that means is know your content. Now, whenever you're giving speak on any sort of topic, if you're taking part in any competition, you definitely prepare it and you know your topic and all, but make sure that you know what exactly you are going to speak about. See, if there is one topic given to you, now it has a lot of variety to speak on, and you can't speak in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes, you can't speak the whole sort of topics on that particular thing what you have given. You have to speak really simple and short that will make sense and also give like glimpses about yourself, your personality as well. So know your personality firstly, how you speak, what is different. So know your spot and know your contents very nicely. Be clear with all your contents, and yeah, that will be really good if you know all your contents and then just give a shot. Okay, now the second is your points and script. You're done with your content, you're ready with your script. The second is to note good points, good scripts. Now, all the time you just can't study it very nicely and just go on the spot and give it like an answer, right? You have to not, because it's like a speak. As public speaking means something you're giving out of yourself to others, right? So even if it's not a competition, if you're giving randomly in your class, if you have a lecture to give, know that what type of content you have, and after that know the points. If you just remember some points, you will be able to give like whole sort of ideas, know some sorts of examples, know sorts of some stories of what you can reflect back with your points and all. That is something which will really help your viewers or like your audience to love. And don't just babble at the point. Just don't like do it very fast, very just don't take it a very speed may. Just take it slow and know it properly. Okay, now the third point is practice a lot. If you know that you are going to speak in tons of people, you should practice a lot so that there is no doubt that your speech or whatever you're speaking was dull. People should really when they clap, they should really clap from within, and when they clap, you will know that you have spoke so well that it has come from within, and you should feel so good about after speaking. You should feel so good from inside. That is the time when you know that you have spoke so nicely. So practice a lot. That will really change the whole idea. If you don't even have proper script, you don't even have points, but if you practice in sense of how to speak. Now, before making videos, I don't practice because I'm so done with this right now. When starting YouTube channel, I used to practice and how to say, how to end my video, how to start with my intro and outro, how to talk about a topic. Now what I do is I just know my content, I know what type of video I'm gonna make, and I just list down some points and then I just speak on that point. Like I'm just looking in the camera and just speaking, right? There is no scripts around me. This is something which is coming from within. Okay, so practice a lot. That will really help you a lot. Okay, now the fourth point is not to by heart. Please don't by heart. See, when you're by hearting and when you're coming on the stage, when you're speaking, people are knowing that you're just, you are just speaking it for the sake to speak. I've seen, so when I used to take part in competitions and all, I used to not by heart. I just to keep the points in mind and I know what to speak properly, because when you by heart, what happens is you're just standing in front of people and you're just speaking like a horse. You are not like you're so stiff that you can't even move your face, and you're should not be very stiff. You should be able to move your head totally like 360. Don't by heart. So just learn and know your points properly. Just have glimpses of points here and there, and you will speak it on your own. That is what I'm just telling, practice. So just know your points and practice by yourself how to talk like a story. When you're telling a small person a story, you don't by heart it and you do tell it. You tell it by yourself, right? That is how you have to speak. That is how you are so real that people will kind of join you in what you're speaking, and they will feel connected to your thoughts and to your deeds, whatever you're speaking on the stage. Okay, now the sixth tip is to not glue to only your script. See, if you have good script, if you have taken points from here and there, but if you know the whole content, the idea, also make sure that you put your own points in that. That will make it really, really, really extra special, because you know that the content you have bought is from net or from somewhere else. But if you put something of your own, that will make your own speech, or that will make, you will feel that you have spoken from your heart. You have put your own ideas, because obviously, dude, you have studied so much. You should have your own ideas and own contents in your head. So you should know the whole idea about what your script is about, and just put your own points by don't copy, don't be glued to only what you have studied or what you know. You can also put your own points, put it in your way how you love saying, and you can put examples, stories, you can put some sort of life events, also give some reality checks and here and there. So that will make the script, that will make the whole public speaking so incredibly strong, and make sure that you interact with the people so nicely that they will enjoy what you're speaking. They will not feel bored at the moment. They will really enjoy, and that is something which is so important. The seventh tip is not for exactly public speaking, but if you are taking part in a competition where you have to speak, like an education competition, you should know this and they will judge you for this. That is voice modulation. So voice modulation is something, now see, when you have something like a highlighted part, you can't highlight there in sense of like highlighter. You have to speak, your voice will speak that highlighted part. So whenever it's like a normal thing, you have to speak according normally whatever your voice is. But whenever it's like highlighted part about something, you have to make sure that your voice raised a bit, so that people will know that you're highlighting that point, and that is why your voice just got modulated. That is just, it got shuffled, right? So make sure you should know where to modulate your voice. You should know where to speak loud. You should know where to speak a bit slow, and that is how it works. So you should know your modulation. You should know your the speed. You should also make sure your speed is good. Okay, don't speak very fast. Don't talk very slowly. It just will mess with the whole topic. Just be very modulated, be very normal. Speak how you love, and don't be afraid. When you're afraid, you speak really fast, but that will just ruin the whole idea about this script and public speaking. But be very modulated, be soft and gentle, and just don't stress. Just be very calm, and you will speak very nicely. So slowly, loudly and clear is something you have to always keep in mind when you're speaking on a public stage, and people are literally concentrated with your eyes, and you're concentrated with them to their eyes, right? The last and the eighth point is be confident with what you're speaking. Be happy with whatever you're speaking, and know your speech is worth everything. That's it. Just keep that in mind. You don't have to think about what that person is speaking. You don't have to think about what this person is speaking. You should know your worth. Your speech, your whatever you're speaking about is totally worth everything. And stand there still, have good content, speak about whatever you feel like, and don't feel shy. Be confident. If you just feel really nervous while giving your speech, just close your eyes for a few seconds, think about people you love, and just go on the stage and rock this stage out. And video, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video so far, make sure that you please like it. Do subscribe for more such videos. If you want me to do more such videos in sense of public speaking and anything else, giving you topics or something like that, no, definitely let me know. I hope that you liked it, and I will do more such, not exactly such videos, but I will do more motivational videos in future as well. Subscribe Instagram for more such contents and more such polls, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.